Messing with Papa, part 1.
Spray paint.
Tell them what we did, Justin.
We took a tomato and put it on the ground with his little sister's 4-wheeler. He ran over it.
And we also spray painted.
That. Let's get closer.
Screwed.
Yeah.
Apple's right there.
He's right over there.
Where?
Get down there. Let's go try to clean up the mess. Coming. He's here.